Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, almost weekend. It's Friday, February the 17th, 2023. We have here in the daily newspaper two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the light Sudoku and the heavy Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional. Let me show you the additional. An additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And also I need to solve these 2 puzzles, regular puzzles, yes. What's the news of today? Well, amazing story. 257 hours after the earthquake, they found a woman. They rescued the woman, under the building after 257 days, yes. It's almost 11 days, almost 11 days without water, without food. So, amazing story. Anyway, the first puzzle is the Sudoku Light, and the Sudoku Light will be number, let me check for the number, will be number 5975. 5975. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a puzzle with 27 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 1 star, and for 1 star you need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing number is a 4 in this column. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this first column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in this row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4. Need more information. Insufficient information right now, yes. So need to wait. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. Last column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1 The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright, and now. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. Wow, need to sneeze. Excuse me. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this big square. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 numbers, so 1 digit left in this row for number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now. Well, we have a 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Now, how about these 3 missing numbers in the third row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this big square, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this third row for number 2. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the number yeah, I'm thinking yeah 1 1 yeah 1. Oh, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Okay, here we have a 1. We have a pair now. The 1 and 8 in this column. The 1 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 8, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. And look, we have a 1 and 8 in this row. So no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and the 8. Wait. Then, 3, 5, 3, 5, and 7. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Yeah. So 2 numbers left. 2 numbers left. In that column. Let me sneeze my nose. those. Okay. We have two missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then the 2 and the 6. Yeah, 2 and the 6. Well, 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 it goes there. So we have a 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9, okay. Then 6 in this row, last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Wait, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first column. 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Yeah. Right. And now 379. 379. Well. Still thinking. Yeah. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be in, and 1 goes there. So we have 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So last column, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now in the second row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. 1 and 8. We have a 1 now in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes at there. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 1. Alright. Okay, 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 9 in this row, last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 6, number 9. So 3 numbers are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 is missing, and 8. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. Here we have a 7 in this big square, so the 5 and 8 are left. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Here we have a 5, so the 7 and 8 are left. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5, 7, 8. Well, we have a 5 and 8 here in the last row, so this should be a 7, and a 5 and 8 are left. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. A little bit slower, but we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the Sudoku Heavy. How heavy? We don't know, we will see, so let's see you in a minute. Until then, bye-bye for now.